This is a 2022 Tundra Limited. So what you're gonna do is start up the car first. So what you can do is you're gonna use this button here. So this is for up, down, left, right, back, and OK to push down. So right now we're gonna push back, and when you get to this screen, just go to the right or left, doesn't really matter. You want to go to here, you're going to scroll down to vehicle and push enter or hold it down, go down, push enter, go up, enter, and wait until it say complete or whatever. Then go down, push OK, go up, push OK, and just wait for finish. Then just go back. Then when you get to this area, you can go left or right or wherever you want to leave it on. I'm going to leave it the same spot right here. And that's it.